Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the lecture number 4 and today we will start keywords and identifier in Pythons. Okay, what is keywords and what is identifier in Pythons? Earlier than this, you have already read in the C and C++ about the keywords and identifier. The same as this, but we will read in the Python. Okay, when you start programming in Python, it is important to understand the keywords and identifier. Yeah. Let's discuss about the keywords actually. First of all, keywords are the special reserved words in Python. They have a predefined meaning and you cannot use them as variable name, function name or identifier. Okay, means that keywords actually are special reserves. Okay, and they have already a predefined meaning and you cannot actually change them as a variable name, function name or identifier. Means that keyword is only a keywords and they cannot be used as a variable name, function name or identifier. Okay, and total keywords in Python is 36. About this is the actually a version 3.x, and in this version of Python there are 36 keywords. Okay, that is false, true, none, and, or, not, and these all are. Okay, now taking one example, okay, by using the keywords, I have taken in one example by using the code. Okay, I'm just explaining the code. I have taken, look at this, I have taken this example, if else keywords. Okay, I have taken this. Okay, I have taken declared as I have taken a variable num is equal to of 10, and if num is greater than 0 then print positive. Okay, else if num is equal to 0 then print 0. Okay, else print negative. Means that I'm just explaining the things. Okay, don't worry. Okay, if I have taken 10, okay, in the end, okay, if is a condition, if num means 10 is greater than 0, yes, 10 is greater than 0, yes, means that positive, yes, this will be printed. Okay, no program will be go rather than this. Okay, from here stop the execution, right, print this one. Okay, if I taken 0, okay, if I taken num is equal to 0, what will happen? If num is greater than 0, print positive, and else if num is equal to 0 then print 0. What will happen? Num is greater than 0, no, it is false. After executing this loop, okay, after executing this block, go to the else if and check num is equal to 0, yes, it is correct, then print 0. If I taking -1, okay, num is equal to -1. Okay, what happened here? If num is equal to -1 is greater than or equal to 0, it is correct, then print positive, otherwise 0, otherwise negative. So what happened? -1 means that print positive, no, else if num is equal to 0, no, else print negative, yes, because it is negative. Okay, now let's go to second example. Okay, I have taken default, definition and return keywords. Okay, I have taken definition, a add a comma b, okay, and return a plus b and result is equal to add 5 comma 10 and then print result. Okay, first of all, it is the definition of the program. Okay, and here it is function. Okay, function written. Let's start. First of all, compiler will come. Okay, program start from here? No, program actually ask the function. Where is function written? Here. Here is calling of function. Here is calling of function. Okay, here we have make a function, right? And we have given a return value here, right? And we are calling the function. The execution start from the function, calling the function. We have calling the function add and given 5 and 10. This 5 and 10 will go into 5 will go into the A and 10 will go into the B, and this value of A is go to the A, and this value of B is going to the this B. Okay, and then after this, okay, return, and they will again come to the add and result into the result, means that, and then we just going to result the print, then the result will be 15. Okay, yes, result will be the 15. Okay, now let's talk about the identifier. Identifier are the name you give to a variable, function, class or object in Python. Okay, there are some rules that is making the identifier. Okay, can contain letter A to Z smaller, A to Z capital, okay, number 0 to 9 and underscore. Okay, let's go to the second rules, and we will take also example, don't worry. Second, cannot start with number, means that identifier cannot start with number, cannot be a keywords, and we have discussed already about the keywords, and that will be not included in the identifier. And this is the case sensitive. A's and A's are different, so this is the very case sensitive. Okay, example, if you're taking the example of identifier, num is equal to 10, that is okay, some underscore value is equal to 0 variable. Okay, definition, my function, okay, I have make, if you making this underscore num, this is not valid. If you taking this is valid, but if you taking this is not valid. Okay, means that identifier cannot be start with a number, cannot be a keyword, means that if you not say that key this is identifier, no, because it is a keyword. Okay, and then if you none underscore A, this is identifier, no, this is a keyword. Okay, so this is all about the keywords and identifier in Python. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.